Hello, this is Dr. Jerem Sabel. I am making a video to demonstrate proper brushing techniques that you can review for yourself or your child during orthodontic treatment so that you or your child can end up with nice, straight, healthy, clean teeth. The first thing we want to do before we start brushing is to swish vigorously. Swishing dislodges the larger particles that are on top and underneath the wire and your brackets. Doing that will enable you to brush more effectively, and also after brushing you'll want to do the same procedure, which is to swish vigorously with water, preferably after brushing, to rinse away the particles that were loosened up during brushing. Liquid in the form of water, scope, Listerine are all fine to use for the swishing procedure. You probably don't want to swish with highly acidic or sugary liquids such as Coke or orange juice, lemonade, things that can damage your teeth. You don't want to swish them around your teeth and in between your teeth. Stick with water, that's the easiest, most available to use. So after you've rinsed, there's some key areas you want to focus on and make sure that you brush adequately. The area most commonly scarred and retains plaque the most is the area in between your braces and your gums. It creates a little bit of a little shelf here on top of your braces, and same with right by your gums. Plaque just typically likes to stick around your gums. So if you have seen someone who has braces and has scarring in their teeth, you'll notice the scarring is close to their gums, above where the braces used to be. Or on the bottom teeth down here, you'll see that in between the gums and the braces in this area. And they're usually shaped kind of like half moons because it follows the contour of the gums and goes around the brackets. So in order to brush that area, you want to put your toothbrush at an angle and brush all along that shelf that your brackets create, and of course close to your gums. So you come around this way because you have to go inside the mouth and brush all the way in the back there. You'll notice when you brush, we always put brackets all the way on every single tooth in your mouth, all the way back to your very last molar, and that area is sometimes difficult to brush because when you get back that far, you'll notice that you're kind of hitting the inside of your cheek, and sometimes that's irritating for people. So for some people it's easier to use an electric toothbrush, so you don't have to do the strokes back there, but you can just hold the electric toothbrush and it does its own motion to help clean that area. So after you brush on top of your brackets for the top teeth, you want to of course brush the area that your brackets blocked, which is the biting surface. So you brush underneath your brackets, all along your teeth, all the way around, and of course on your teeth in this area too. So you brush here on this side, and of course the inside where your tongue is. So you brush on the inside there, and you brush kind of up like this, your front teeth, and all the way around. So now you've brushed all of your top teeth, your brackets, above them, below them, biting surface, and where your tongue is. You've done a thorough, detailed job on those teeth. It's the same exact thing with your bottom teeth. I always start with the area that's most likely to have problems. So below the brackets, by the gums, all the way around, and then of course you have to switch directions. Top of your brackets, all the way around, where your grooves of your teeth are, where food likes to stick. Brush those in the back there, brush those back there, and then by your tongue, all the way around, up like this in this area, and all the way around. Now you've brushed all those areas. Now an area, if you've been paying close attention, that is missed by this a lot of times is the area right underneath the wire. I brushed on top of the wire and the brackets, below the wire, the brackets, but there's this little area underneath the wire that gets missed a lot of times. You can use the tip of your toothbrush and just go down in between your brackets all the way around. But you'll notice that it frays your toothbrush pretty quickly. So you may want to get a toothbrush like this, which is made to clean small areas like that. And you'll see how easy this is to get right in between there. Just up and down right in between there. And you can go around a lot faster and without as much of the frame that you'll see. You'll notice that I'm going from the gums down away from the gums. If you come up the other way, you'll be poking yourself in your gums and underneath your gums. So you want to come from the gums down, brush down, don't poke yourself. All the way around, same with the bottom, you're going to want to come from your gums and brush upwards, 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 away from your gums, up, 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 all the way up underneath. You'll notice these brackets on the lower teeth, since your teeth are narrower, your brackets are closer together, and it's a little bit more difficult to get this guy all the way up in between them, so it requires just a little bit more of an effort depending on the size of your teeth and the size of your brackets. All the way around. See, now it's getting easier because your brackets are further apart from each other. All the way around, all the way around. In other videos, if you want to keep looking, we'll demonstrate flossing and other techniques to help keep your teeth nice and clean. Thank you for watching.